We're back.
Woo!
Chicken round two. I'm in Taylor's home. Like, I've seen it online and I'm finally here. I'm like a bigger WildBird fan now because I just had my baby. Our customers kind of brought us together the first time, and it was more like the attraction of fabrics, textiles, and like how we could bring that together. Taylor came with me to Guatemala and I got to show her my whole world. What we found out is that we just have so much in common.
Yeah.
Like as women, as mothers, as entrepreneurs, and we didn't know that.
I know, we did it. We did it. We have very parallel lives and brands and everything, and we need to do more with this. So we need to mesh these together, and it's more about our brands instead of just pretty textiles this time.
Yeah.
Like it's a true collaboration of who we are. And I'm excited to show everyone.